Hey everybody, Mike B back with another video today. It's one that I kind of mentioned in the video I put up yesterday about the forward assist on the ARs and whatnot. I kind of caught myself. It's an old thing that I kind of wanted to address. I just forgot about it a while back. Another thing courtesy of AR15.com and other similar forums where, you know, AR fanboys and the elitist pricks on there are constantly just destroying people because their own lives are so worthless. And it's just fucking hilarious. So anyway, I'm gonna give you an example. So when I was putting this AR together, right, I said I was building it. And if you go on AR15.com, you're gonna, I guarantee if you say you're building an AR, you're gonna get one of these turd burglars that has nothing better to do. And it's either some like crusty old fuck, or it's some angsty little like late teen to early 20s like you want a troll that's, you know, hates their life and doesn't know who they are yet, so they're constantly seeking to troll and correct people on their infinite fucking wisdom. Both cases they're very similar, right? Just difference in age. So basically, yeah, so I would say, hey, I built this AR-15 out of parts, you know? Cool. Well, I also built this AR-15 out of parts. Most of it, right? Their whole argument is, oh my god, you didn't build it, you assembled an AR-15. You mean you assembled it? Like you assembled it from parts? You didn't make the parts, you didn't build the thing yourself. And it's like, well, I mean, I've seen a couple people destroy these little clowns, you know, based on this. It's like, okay, listen up, penis. Let me just read you the Merriam-Webster's definition of build. Transitive verb. Definition number 1, to form by ordering and uniting materials by gradual means into a composite whole. Construct. We'll get to construct in a second. To form by ordering and uniting materials. Yeah, there's a bunch of little parts on here, right? I didn't make them. It doesn't say you have to make them. By gradual means, well, depending on how fast you build one of these, yeah, it's gradual. Into a composite whole. This is a composite whole, right? It works when it's all together. Weird. All right, so let's go to the second little recommendation here. Construct. To make or form by combining or arranging parts or elements. That's the first definition. Transitive verb as well. Okay, so would you say I'm constructing an AR? Sure, you could say that because you'd be absolutely correct. You'd be absolutely correct saying you're building an AR. Now, the assemble thing, this whole thing. To bring together, as in a particular place for a particular purpose. That's the first definition of that one. Okay, and then 2, to fit together the parts of. So technically, those little ass clowns are more incorrect in their, you know, condescending bullshit than they actually know. Because the previous 2 words that people use more often than not, like building an AR-15 or building an AK or building an FAL or you frickin' name it, they're actually correct. They're more correct than these clowns that are, you know, proclaiming to be you're assembling an AR. So it's like, okay, example, you build a house. Does that mean you're gonna go cut down lumber? You're gonna grade the lumber and cut it down. You're gonna plane it. You're gonna cut it out to the exact specifications and measurements that you need for, you know, joists and frickin' wall studs and all that shit. You're gonna make everything, and then and only then are you actually building a house. Okay, well, when somebody says we're having a house built or we're building a house, oh my god, you should jump down their throat and say, oh no, you're actually not, because you're not making all the parts necessary for your fucking house. Anyway, got a little carried away there. So anyway, that's just a little bit of a rant video. It's still Monday, so I'm recording this on Monday evening after I made this other video yesterday. Or the one I posted yesterday, as you're going to be seeing this. Jesus, I'm confusing everybody. Anyway, so yeah, it's totally fine to say I'm building an AR-15 or I'm building whatever fucking platform you're building. You're building something out of parts, okay? You don't have to manufacture the parts for it to be a build. I don't know how much farther I have to go into this. I gave you 3 definitions of words that people use. Constructing a weapon, constructing a house, construction, building, and assembling. Okay, yeah, have fun with that one, guys. See you later.